Hello DNHE students of IGNOU. Are you Gyan is the most trusted partner for IGNOU. We understand that your DNHE diploma is not just a health education, community service, and wellness industries. Completing your diploma on time is very important, but most students get confused when it comes to synopsis and project work. Search tools and writing in the proper format often feels difficult. Every year, our team of experts has years of experience in preparing IGNOU DNHE synopsis and projects. We help you select meaningful topics like nutrition awareness, balanced diet, child health, maternal health, community food programs, lifestyle diseases, and diet planning. We prepare your synopsis with proper objectives, methodology, and justification so that approval comes quickly. After synopsis approval, we provide a high-quality project report with real. Now let us talk about the deadlines. June exam submission is open till March. Missing these dates means waiting 6 months more. Delayable time. So do not take risks with your career.